Hey guys, all right, so this is OBS, this beautiful contraption right here. All right, so the way we usually um, go live is we grab the stream key from Facebook. So let's start there. We're also able to go live on the church page now, so that's a great thing. All right, so if we line this up, I'm gonna go live. Um, Not sure why it's saying this. It let us go live last time. Hmm. All right. Maybe we need a certain amount of friends. I did delete a couple people because they're just doing crazy stuff. Gotta be kidding me. All right. So for tomorrow, just go live with the phone. Try to log into the church profile, the new Peniel one. But for future reference, let's do it with my profile. We're not actually gonna go live, but so you guys know where to get the stream key. All right, so you guys hit the live button, and then I'll be greeted with all right, so we're gonna go live, and then you're gonna copy the stream key. All right, after it's copied in OBS, we're gonna go to settings. We'll go stream, and then we're gonna go to Facebook Live. Then we're gonna paste it there. All right. So we'll click OK and apply, or apply and then OK, and then that part is set. I'm not gonna save it because I don't go live, so I don't need this setup for myself. But for church, that's how you would do it. And then once that is done, let me see if I can move myself. No, that's the screen. move myself up here for a little bit. So you actually gonna hit start streaming. So get the stream key from Facebook. I'll go to settings, stream, Facebook, paste, paste. Once it's done, you hit start streaming. Once you hit start streaming there, you have to go back to Facebook and hit the go live button after you add the title and description. You have to hit the go live button. After you hit the go live button, this is going to show even before you hit the go live button, this is going to show what you see on the screen. So you're going to be seeing in this little square right here the live footage, and then you can hit go live. So let's go ahead and let's just do it just to get the full experience. So we're going to use it, Facebook Live, paste, apply, okay. I'm recording, but I'm not sure if it's going to let me stream. Let's see, stream. Yep, it lets me stream. So now you see this connecting the live video. This is me right there. Then I put this description and everything. And then once I'm ready to go and everything is checked out, everything is ready to go, all you got to do is hit the go live button. I think there's a mouse back here, so creeped out. Hit the go live button, and then you're good to go. It's done. All you got to do is pay attention to the chat if you guys want to do that. If not, you could just let it roll. Just make sure the camera is pointing at the right direction, and you're good. All right, so that is all with OBS. So I hope you guys could go back to the video and watch it carefully. Everything should be already set up. Now, for the proclaim stuff to show up, you are gonna have to hit the display and then or not display. Let me see if I see one here. So it's gonna be under window capture. And then the window capture will be under for example, this is one of the storages. So you could put the window capture on proclaim. Let's say that proclaim is on. Should have kept it on. We could actually do Proclaim. It'll be slides. If we do on air, it will go to you see the slides, it'll go to slides. And every time you change something is gonna change on the live. So that's how you set it up to it. But obviously it's gonna be smaller so you can see the live footage and so everybody can see the slides as well. Because then if yeah, that's basically how you do it. Or then when you're done streaming, just hit the stop streaming, and then you should be all set. That's everything with OBS and Proclaim.